Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Terminus on Linux Mint 18.3. Terminus is a simple to use web-based terminal that is heavily inspired by Hyper, and the Terminus is designed especially for people who wants to get things done on time, and then it runs on Windows, Mac OS as well as Linux and comes with various theming and color schemes. Okay, now let us see how to install Terminus on Linux Mint 18.3. First of all, we have to download the Terminus application using my wget command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Now we have to list out this directory. Then now we have to install the Terminus application using by GDB. Press Y and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. After installation, we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Terminus. The application is shown on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now we have to click New Terminal. Now you can able to using this Terminus application. That's all about for installation of Terminus. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.